Halloween event that we have here. The candy bag come with flat design or zipper design, and they come in off the back with header like this, so you can put on the rack in the supermarket to sell them to your customer very easily. This symbol here is a flat bag, but it has very special shape. It's shaped like a vase, and it has twist tie coming with it, so you can put your candy in here, and you can tie the bag with a twist tie, so it's very tight, and you don't have to worry about the candy falling out. It's also very colorful printing with the pumpkin printing and the witch hat. This one I have here is the zipper bag, and it has also Halloween printing on it, very colorful printing with up to 3 colors. And the zipper is also very seal tight, so you don't have to worry about the air coming in or water coming in. And you can put your candy in here. And they are all made with virgin materials, so very food safety and very perfectly used for the Halloween event coming.